Welcome back to Cars Updates, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Kia Sportage, a compact SUV that's making waves with its stylish design, spacious interior, and impressive performance. Let's dive in and see what this vehicle has to offer. Design. The 2025 Sportage boasts a bold and dynamic exterior that stands out on the road. Its sleek lines and aggressive stance give it a sporty appeal, while the distinctive front grille and sharp LED headlights add a modern touch. The overall design feels sophisticated yet approachable, making it suitable for a wide range of drivers. Plus, with a variety of color options and trim levels, there's a Sportage for everyone. Interior. The 2025 Sportage continues to impress with a spacious and well-designed cabin. The materials used are high quality, combining comfort with durability. One of the standout features is the large infotainment touchscreen, which is user-friendly and packed with technology. You'll find seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom, making it a great choice for families or anyone needing extra space. The overall layout is intuitive, with easy access to controls and storage solutions throughout the vehicle. Performance. The 2025 Sportage offers a balanced driving experience. With a choice of efficient engines, including a turbocharged option for those looking for a little more excitement, it delivers power without sacrificing fuel economy. The ride quality is smooth thanks to its well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps and road imperfections. Additionally, the Sportage features available all-wheel drive, providing enhanced traction and stability in various driving conditions, whether you're navigating city streets or heading off the beaten path. The 2025 Kia Sportage is an impressive contender in the compact SUV market, combining eye-catching design, a comfortable interior, and reliable performance. For more updates and reviews, make sure to subscribe to Cars Updates and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.